I know when you use freezing to describe 40s, I do the same thing. You know it's going to be cold next week when we're in the 20s. Our temperature right now in the 50s, and it's feeling chilly to a lot of us. We have the blue sky, some beautiful clouds moving in as well. Very pretty high cirrus ice crystal kind of clouds. And winds now actually from the south up to about 5 or 10 miles per hour. That usually is a sign that we're going to be warming up, and we have high pressure that will be shifting to our east too. So temperatures right now, they are cool, but we will be warmer tomorrow and then into Friday before we get our next front moving in on Friday. Here are your winds, a bit variable, but most spots saying from the south right now up to about 5 or 10 miles per hour. Today our highs expected only a few degrees higher than where we are now, maybe 58. Maybe a few of you scraping 60 degrees later on, but mostly staying in the 50s and mostly clear skies. Your planner hour by hour you can see looks pretty good, and then this evening we're dropping back through the 50s with overnight lows tonight expected upper 30s north and middle 40s south of Lake Pontchartrain. This morning, many of you, especially away from the city in particular, woke up to some frost. Tomorrow morning, you'll be in that range. I think some patchy frost will be possible, especially farther north. 37 is right on the line where you can start to get frost, even if your temperature doesn't get quite to freezing. Overnight temperatures, here they are, mainly 40s south of the lake, even including our bayou parishes, and then other spots north of the lake will be in the upper 30s. Precision Cast shows not much happening today. Overnight, we may see a few more clouds. This is tomorrow lunchtime. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy, and we start to see warmer air surging in Thursday night, tomorrow night. And then heading into Friday, we've been watching this line of broken showers and storms, or a broken line of showers and storms moving in. This would be Friday morning. This would be Friday lunchtime around 11 a.m. or noon, so maybe late morning and midday. And then this is afternoon already, 2 and 3 p.m. It's passed us by as this front moves off to the east of us. And our severe risk, it will be there. We'll be at a level 2 for North Shore spots, but a level 1, a little less risk of severe weather the farther south you go. And this is Thursday's outlook, and then this is Friday's outlook. So it does look like to our north and northeast will be a higher chance for severe storms on Friday, but you saw the line just didn't look very impressive, did it? So our rain total is pretty slim, maybe a quarter inch or less, probably a lot less for most of us. And we'll just be watching just in case there's a high wind gust along that line of storms, or maybe some other form of severe weather. But again, doesn't look too bad, as we're not expecting a whole lot of prolonged storm activity in general. Then this weekend we chill down. Saturday cold in the 40s, topping out near 50. Sunday we're warming to about 62. And not only are we getting this hit of cooler air with our upper pattern ushering that in for this weekend, but then again on Monday into Tuesday, we get another big dip of cold air around this low. We will see colder air filtering in. So we've been talking about temperatures Monday night really plunging as that Arctic air mass moves in. Models right now are showing Tuesday morning maybe in the 20s, maybe the afternoon in the 30s to about 40 degrees. So this is our huge up and down kind of roller coaster forecast as we warm up to Friday. Friday night, we're dropping off and quickly getting into the 50s, and then eventually 40s and 30s for Saturday morning. Then we warm up a little bit more Sunday into Monday, and then our next front drops us down. So just a heads up, we're a week out. If you haven't protected your exposed outdoor pipes, particularly north of the lake and away from the city, something you might want to think about this weekend, because that Tuesday weather will be a hard freeze range, it looks like in the 20s for the morning. So just a heads up there.